So, I am in the Smokey Mountains in my 69 Econoline. But I want you to hear something. I don't know what it is. Listen. It is blacker than black out there. I so love the sound of the forest. And deeper in the forest, the more alive it becomes at night. I heard something thrashing around there earlier. I don't know what it was. But I got all the windows open. Well, not the front windows, they're not down, but because I am in bear country. And there was big signs as I was coming into the forest that I was in bear country. And I don't know whether they're grizzly bears or black bears or what kind of bears they are. I know our black bears aren't too bad, but I do have food in here, so we want to make sure everything is secure. As long as they can't open the doors, I guess I'm all right. But I just wanted to let you hear that. It's so cool, eh? And as I lay here, looking at the stars, because you can't see the stars, but there's a billion of them. A billion billions of them. So flippin' cool to be on top of the world. In the middle of a forest. In the middle of the night. Ha ha ha. I so love it. Hope you're having a good night. I'm going to lay here and listen to whatever that is. Maybe I'll hear the crashing again. It's probably a moose or something. Good night. Sweet dreams.